With me on the line now is Harry Adams from KEFI Minerals. Harry, good morning.
Good morning.
Quite a significant deal this morning to fund the building of your mine in Ethiopia, Tulu Kapi, to the tune of $135 million, Harry. Tell me a bit more.
Well, what we've announced is the culmination of a lot of work since about this time last year. The project started off when we bought it at the beginning of 2014. It was a $300 million project. And during the course of the period between then and now, we've completely overhauled it, completely redesigned it. And during that process, the conventional banking fraternity retracted from the space. So that's about middle of last year. And therefore, around that time, we then sat down with our contractors and our aspiring competitive contractors and said that we really need to redesign the way this is going to be financed. And today's announcement was a culmination of that work. We had three competing contracting syndicates offering financing around their contracting bids. And at the end of the day, we stuck to the contractors we selected as preferred contractors already and had announced so. Ausdrill from Australia and Lycopodium from Australia. And now we've tacked on Oryx, which derives from the same fraternity in Perth, Australia. So we've basically cracked the back now, broken the back of the financing of what started off as a $300 million project, and we're away now, I think.
Cracked the back of the financing with Oryx. Is the door still open to other offers? Should something more pleasing come along?
Only if there's a wobble, in the sense that we've signed up very detailed term sheets all around, and so there's a sincere good faith commitment to go ahead. However, we preserved our right, KEFI has preserved its right to turn in another direction if anything wonky happens during the detailed documentation, which I certainly don't expect, but it's just there as a right, as a protection mechanism to protect the company. But no, it's all very serious and committed, and we're all moving forward together.
Very good. Should you accept the funding, do you still need more cash to fund the project completely, or is that it?
Well, essentially what's happened is that the mining contractor, Ausdrill, is going to finance all the mining fleet. Anything that moves on the property will be financed by them as part of their mining contract services. All the off-site infrastructure, power, roads, airstrip, will be financed by the government, who's been given equity in exchange for that. They'll end up with about 25% of the project. And now Oryx, an affiliate of Lycopodium, will finance all the on-site infrastructure. What does that leave? That leaves us to pay for our working capital, for our technical services group, which will have to grow quite quickly now to cope with construction and operation, and for community resettlement. It'll be $20 to $30 million, which is consistent with what we've foreshadowed before, and it will come from a variety of sources, which we'll now work through over the next 3 to 6 months to optimise it.
And so you reckon you'll be looking at getting into this mine build in Q4 towards the end of the year? Yeah,
there's two sets of key jobs that determine the timing of the first shovel in the ground. One is legals and regulatory approvals all around in half a dozen countries amongst a handful of parties, all of whom need to approve each other's documentation. And secondly, the community resettlement. There's about 3 months' work in each of those exercises, but we'll overlap them so that we're not just doing three months plus 3 months' work, we're actually overlapping the two. And that way we'll be able to have moved critical households before the end of the year and start construction before the end of the year.
As you said earlier, Oryx, they'll also become the processing plant operator. How much direct involvement and control will you have here in the mine build? Is it fair to say Oryx will be doing much of the heavy lifting from then on?
Well, our mine there'll be over 1,000 people working out there next year. So this is a big project, and there'll be compartmentalised responsibilities. But overall control is with KEFI. We have a project management group which will be expanded as we move into construction, to control the fixed price lump sum construction contract, to control the mining contract, and then to oversee the plant operations and the mine operations. But the overall planning, monitoring, control, supervision, approval of any claims for payments or anything like that is all set by KEFI. Incentivisation, all those things is controlled by the majority shareholder, which is us.
That's brilliant, Harry. So as you've said, a key item with this funding now ticked off the list, full steam ahead from here on in.
Yes, it is. The real work can now begin, so to speak.
Very good. Nice to catch up with you, Harry. Thanks very much.
Okay, thank you, Bo.